The measurements of a roof are pretty easy because there's high quality aerial photos. And for the first 14 years that I was in this business, all you needed to know what was up on this roof. The process was always so much more difficult on the side of the house. But now with the scan that we've taken with Polycam and the scenes feature, we can take the battery and drop it into the imaging of the home exactly the way we do on the roof with the solar panels. Once we started using Polycam to capture the entire premises, we can virtually later pivot with a camera from outside to inside and then go up and above and see that indeed the main service panel is directly behind where we want to put the equipment in the garage, which means you don't have to run extra conduit, you don't have to install extra boxes. About 20% of projects before would not fit as planned. We think it costs us about $1,000 per instance. So we're looking at $15,000 a month in savings. So it really, the biggest benefit is in smoothing out the operation.